Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number or contact number in Remitly account. So you can see this is the Remotely. I'm using desktop. You can do this thing in your mobile apps. It's really easy. So you need to go here. You can see it's my name. So simply click on the down arrow and then click settings, and then you will get the page here. So it's called settings page. So simply click here, add, and you can see the phone number, and then you have to choose the country code. Okay, so this is US +1, so you have to click here, then you will find here which country you are belong to. Okay, and then you can search here. It's really easy, like you can search India. Okay, India, and you can see there are two options. Choose India, and after that you have to give your number here. So for example, and after that simply click on the save. Okay, so please enter a valid phone number. So you have to give the valid phone number, otherwise they will not accept it. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.